Hello guys, what to do if File Explorer crashing in Windows 11 and Windows 10? If you are also facing such issues that File Explorer crashing or not working, then here are the fixing. A first workaround is go to Task Manager of your system and restart File Explorer. Go to Task Manager, right click on the Start button and choose Task Manager. Here from the left side, go to Process tab and here select Windows Explorer or File Explorer. Select it. You can either right click on it and choose Restart. Otherwise, choose Restart Task from the top right corner. Click on it and File Explorer will restart and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your system. Go to Windows Search and type CMD to open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute the command chkdsk space and your drive letter. First scan system drive C and double dot and press enter. It will scan your system for any driver related issues. It may be a cause of File Explorer crashing. So first execute chkdsk command and once completed execute the command sfc scan now. Type again on the same window sfc space / scan now and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted file system held in your system and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your File Explorer, Windows Explorer crashing error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Type File Explorer option in Windows Search and open File Explorer option in Control Panel. You can directly open File Explorer option through Control Panel. Here under General tab, clear File Explorer history. Click on clear button. It will clear your file history caches and history, and finally press OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Windows key plus R conjointly to open run command box, and in run command box execute the command mdsched to open Windows Memory Diagnostic Tools. Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool and choose first option restart now and check for problems recommended. Save your work and close any open programs. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is root or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch File Explorer options through Control Panel. And here under General tab, find out under General tab, open File Explorer 2 and set here this option to this PC. Change this, open File Explorer to this PC.